Morning to you, Robin. You can see why Punta Cana is such a popular destination, especially for spring break. You have these beautiful beaches. There have already been tourists out dotting them this morning. You have the nightlife. That's what the family of this 20-year-old says that she was enjoying before she mysteriously vanished, launching an international effort to find her.
This morning, an urgent multi-agency search for University of Pittsburgh student Sudiksha Konanki, missing in the Dominican Republic for 5 days. The 20-year-old, along with 5 female friends, were celebrating spring break at the popular hotel Rio Palace Punta Cana before she vanished shortly before 5 a.m. Thursday. She was last spotted on CCTV cameras on the beach in front of the resort at 4:15 a.m. Her father says he spoke with her the night before her disappearance.
My daughter said that she's enjoying her trip, spring break, and everything was going okay. And she was really happy.
Dominican authorities told ABC News it's possible Konanki may have drowned, saying they were told by her friends that a man was last seen with her on the beach and the two of them were caught in a big wave. But the sheriff of the county in Virginia, where Konanki lives, says it's too early to make any judgments.
We are looking, obviously, at all the phone contacts that were made, the people that she was with, people she may have met. We want to make sure that we're leaving no stone unturned. And so as far as the ongoing investigation, we're very prayerful and hopeful it turns out fine.
Konanki is a resident of the U.S. and a citizen of India. The Indian embassy saying it is extending all assistance to local Dominican authorities.
When your children go on these spring breaks, look at, State Department bulletins to see if there's anything of concern that they should be aware of before they go.
And again, Konanki may have drowned, according to authorities, and officials say that her family has flown here searching for answers. There are no suspects. No one has been charged in this case, but the investigation is ongoing.